Hello everyone, this is Mateus from MiningMath support team, and on today's video I'm going to explain how you can overcome this kind of error. Basically, this user is trying to apply a restricting surface, and as you can see on the interface, it's appearing a red box over here and an error message saying error parsing surface coordinates aren't properly spaced. Why does it happen? It happens because SimSched, or actually SimSched, needs to that the surface's points they must be aligned with the block centroid of your data. Okay, so the simplest way to overcome these or to avoid this kind of error is by running a simple case of a PT optimization, whatever parameter it is, and use the resulting topography surface. This by doing so, SimSched will generate a topography automatically with the points properly spaced, and you can just manipulate the z coordinates of that grid. Okay, but if you didn't do it, how you can verify if there's something wrong? And well, two steps are generally very common. One is numerical validation. Here I paste the topography surface and its coordinates, the restricting surface and its coordinates, and here I have a comparison columns to compare the x and y coordinates from each one. So here I have A3 x from topo and x from the restricting surface. They are equal, so the value that appears here is true. Okay, but as you can see, we have a lot of false values over here. Let's pick one. Here we can see the x coordinates aren't equal in this case. So here's basically the problem. But another way you have to compare those values is by doing a visual validation. So you can open SGEMs and bring your surface files into the black area, select object type, change it to point set, next, and you save. You create a name for it, and you do the same for the restricting surface. Point set, next. Okay, so basically this is the restricting surface, and just remembering everything that is below these small surfaces over here, or that is the material here, here, and here won't be mined at all. Okay, and well, we have the topography surface. Looking from top, it doesn't seem they are not aligned, but they really seem aligned, or at least they cover the same space. Okay, in this case it's pretty difficult because the surfaces aren't so much different, and we can create some filters over here. We can change click over topo, change the point size, do the same for restrict, and change restrict color. Let's say right click, trend, select one of those options, then properties, select, and you can let's use this color. You can change the colors over here, but here is it. Looking from the top view, it doesn't seem so much different, but when we start to zoom in, we notice that the restricting surface has a lot more points than the topography surface. So it seems the modified surface, this one, is it has a higher density of points, which might be the problem in this case. It doesn't seem so much, but the numerical validation helps a lot, and what we can do here is to use the topography surface, use it as the basis of our work and further manipulations, and then change only the z coordinates. Okay, probably because these restrictions are more complex, you're likely to need a mining package to create a polygon and select just the points inside this polygon, and then project only what is outside this polygon to the zero elevation. Okay, this would be the simplest manner to overcome this kind of challenge. Thank you very much, and in case you have any questions, please contact us at support@miningmath.com. Thanks. Bye bye.